360S9 robot vacuum and mop, ultrasonic and LiDAR dual eye, laser mapping, 2650 PA, intelligent water tank, 180 minutes walk time, no-go zones, compatible with Alexa. The unit weight is excellent. The 360S9 delivers a really good sweeping and mopping experience. The 360S9 has excellent performance, down-to-earth features and a good value. Ultrasonic and laser dual eye mapping system not only intelligently navigate and build a map of your home this time, the ultrasonic sensor also allows a robust obstacle detection method for robotic vacuum cleaner. Vacuum and mop simultaneously. Vacuum, mop or do both at the same time to clean your room with 3-stage water adjustment. The robot efficiently mops and vacuums all in one go. Ultrasonic and LiDAR dual eye navigation. Not only LiDAR this time, the ultrasonic sensors bring obstacle avoidance performance to the next level. Laser mapping your room. 360S9 LiDAR navigation gives a full 360 degree view of a room, so it can create a map of the room, detecting walls, doorways, furniture and other obstacles. 20% more efficient cleaning. 360S9 gets to know your home. It learns the most efficient cleaning path for your unique environment, leaving you with flawless clean through going zigzag straight line. Selecting room cleaning. Selecting a specific room or multiple rooms to set a cleaning schedule at different times of the day. Schedule cleaning. Use the 360 robot app to schedule daily cleaning every other day or whatever schedule works for you. Let 360S9 gets the job done and leaves you upright vacuum in the closet. Zone deep cleaning. 360S9 comes with zone cleaning. It lets you clean specific areas once or twice in your home whenever you want, or you can create a schedule to clean it regularly. Just open the 360 robot app and create a special cleaning zone. Vacuum and mop simultaneously. You get 3 modes for your cleaning plan: vacuum only, mop only, or vacuum and mop simultaneously for the specific area you want to clean. No-go zone, no mop zone, and no-go line. The 360S9 comes with virtual no-go zone, no mop zones, and no-go line, so you can leave your stuff where it is and tell your robot where not to go. That way it won't get stuck. Never worry getting stuck in lamp cords. When the 360S9 gets loose ends or loops though, it will reverse the process to free itself if something is caught in them. 3-stage water adjustment. You'll get low, middle and high 3-stage water level to adjust the water flow through the intelligent water tank. Up to 180 minutes cleaning time. 360S9 cleans up to 180 minutes on standard mode per charge, so you get to enjoy a completely clean for around 2000 HP active house from a single charge. Patented low noise